2006 Cadillac XLR-V retractable hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed original miles. 53,510 on it now. Of course, that 4.4 liter supercharged V8 underneath the hood produces 443 horsepower. That'll send this car down the road 0 to 60, 4.7 seconds. So this is a quick convertible. You can see the condition of that front fascia grille. Paint shows well on this one. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on custom Diablo chrome wheels. Look at those big drilled rotors behind them. Going to need them with this car and the horsepower it has. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's black. It's what, 18 years old now. There may be an imperfection here or there, but overall, you can see this car shows well. Nice reflection in that black paint. Black on black. So black leather with suede inserts. Of course, the automatic with overdrive trans. We'll go ahead and put the hardtop up at the end of the video here. I'm also going to start it, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just a couple little spots maybe where it's been touched up. And again, that's being pretty fussy. Few and far in between on this one. Center dump exhaust, rear parking assist. This car will come with a car cover, owner's manual, also some showroom brochures. Look at the reflection coming off that trunk lid. Some recent service work has been done to this too. One of the best parts, it does have new Michelins on it, Pilot Sports, a little over a year old, and not much for miles on them. Also new thermostat and a gasket, the thermostat housing, powertrain control module, and also new plugs, as well as all 4 tire pressure monitor sensors when those Michelins were put on. If you like these high horsepower supercharged Cadillacs, maybe just like later model sports cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase online, as well as our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. And as you can see, this passenger side also shows well. Black paint, nice shine to it. Let's go ahead. I have the key fob here. Key fob is working as far as for the unlock and lock. Let me go ahead and hit unlock a second. Make sure the door is going to open for me. I was walking around our building here, so there we go. All right, door panels look good. I got the suede inserts to match the seat inserts. Bose stereo system, of course, your late model. Amenities, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seats, memory seating. Condition of the seats. It's a decent shape, what you'd expect for miles on it that are lower like this. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Well-maintained car. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Of course, push button to start right over here. All right, let's take a look at gauges. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. This is just the seat belt warning. Since I got my seat belt on, there's your exact miles, 53,510. Steering wheel controls, as you can also see. Navigation system on the radio. Dual electronic climate control. Heated seats. Dash in good shape. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Nothing crazy as far as exhaust. Sounds good, like it should. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this a second, make it a little easier to get this hood open. So let me get this hood popped, check out that engine bay. We also will demonstrate the convertible hardtop going up and down. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're gonna take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, underside of the hood, hood liner, pretty much spotless. Doesn't appear this car's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Here we go. There it is, XLR-V power. 4.4 liter supercharged V8. Sounds as it should. Look stock. All right, let me get this set up to demonstrate this hardtop. So let me pause it one more time here, show you the hardtop up and down, and we'll wrap up this walk around. There you can see the top all the way up and obviously functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. I rolled up the side glass too and see how that fits. Paint condition looks like it's same condition as the rest of the car. I noticed one little maybe touch-up spot there if you can see it, but nice shine to that black paint. Of course, the glass rear window with electric rear defog. Passenger side glass looks good. Convertible top. Condition you'd expect on a car like this. Now remember, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'm going to do a little demonstration on the top going down. Stick around for that driving video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. The performance car. When you were looking for a Cadillac that performs like a Corvette, this is the one. And in all black, it looks really good. Very good throttle response and acceleration. All our gauges are working well. Or it looks like we're running about 190 degrees Fahrenheit, and oil pressure is about 50 psi. Factory radio is working great. The odometer is showing 53,512 miles. Very comfortable bucket seats with cloth centers, possibly suede centers, and leather bolsters. Very nice and very comfortable. This, of course, with the power top, this is a convertible, and it all will fold down at the touch of a button. A hardtop convertible is a good thing to have. This corner is awesome. Corner's just like a Corvette. Let's pass the Prius. Lots of fun to push that throttle down. This is an automatic right here in the center console, so it is really easy to drive. I love the angular look of these cars. Check out all the angles and all the pictures of inside and outside in the engine bay and underneath at uniqueclassiccars.com.